Hello everyone. Welcome to the chapter 3 classification lecture number 1. So, have you heard about the MNIST dataset? Oh, this is the hello world of the machine learning. Yes, this is a very basic dataset that everyone of the machine learning engineers do it. So, let's have a look at what the thing is. What is the MNIST dataset? So, just search for it, MNIST dataset, and you'll be seeing the description. Just go on the TensorFlow. Okay, this is the server error, not an issue. Go here. You can see here a lot of description, but let's see. On the various websites, see that what is the MNIST dataset. So, basically, MNIST dataset is a dataset of the numbers. Like it is handwritten digits. You can see here. Okay, you can see here there is a handwritten digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and it is amazing that it is so much famous and every data scientist or machine learning engineer do it once in time, like in life. Okay, so it is quite important. So let's have a look on the chapter number 1. What is it in the classification? So what is the classification? Classification is something that predict the classes. Okay, that this is dog, this is cat. Okay, a regression is like predicting the values, like weather prediction apps. So I hope that this is the very basic thing you have cleared. Okay. So now MNIST dataset is actually 70,000 small images of digits, handwritten digits. Okay, and this set has been studied so much that it is often called the hello world of the machine learning. Yes, guys. So, what we are going to do, we are just quickly going to download this data. Okay. So, here I have written the code already to save some time. So, yeah, you link will be in the description. You can just go and access, or with video, you can just write these codes so that you'll have more understanding of the codes. So from sklearn.dataset, you can import the fetch OpenML. Okay. And from the fetch OpenML, you can just download it. Okay. So I am just going to run. Okay. So it will be running it. After running, um, we'll be seeing some more options. Okay, so there are three type of function. Fetch function is there, load function is there, and make function is there. Okay, so like fetch function is to fetch the data or to download the real life data set. Load functions have like load a small twice data set with scikit-learn, and make function is to generate the fake data set. Okay, like fake data sets are very useful for the test. Okay, so you can also search about this thing like why the fake data sets are important. Okay, so three main entries are there, DESCR and data and target. Okay, so let's see about it. Okay, so what the DESCR does, like it gives you a description. Yeah, it is the short form, the description of the data set, that what the data set is about. Then MNIST.data is something that is the actual data, that is the X value. I hope you are getting this thing. And the target is something like Y value. Okay. So it is predicted data. Like you can see here, X and Y is equal to MNIST data and MNIST target. So I hope you got this thing. And now I'll be just running it. And you can just see the shape. Like this is 70,000 um, like there are 70,000 inputs. Okay, so you can see here. And now let's say these are the codes to see this thing. Okay, so and the each picture is 28 by 28 pixel images. Like you can see here, like 784. Like if you will multiply 28 multiply by 28, so that is the 784. That is the shape of the X, and Y shape is 70,000. Okay, because it is something like a predicted label. Now you can okay, you can just see okay, Okay, so it is loading. Let it load, and now you can show the image from this code. Like we have made a. Okay, okay, hold on. Okay, so we have made a small definition like a function plot digit, and we are going to actually plot. So first, what we are going to do, we are actually reshaping the image. Okay, we are just reshaping the image, and then we are putting a title, and after that we are showing an image. So you can just see the image. Okay, uh, it is actually doing some problem by running it. Okay, okay. Okay, so let it be. Then this is the thing. You can just write this code. This is quite good, so that you'll have a visualization that what is the thing going on. Okay. Then then this is the thing, guys. Like it is very small thing that you are going to actually make the X test, X train, Y train, Y test, and like it is already shuffled data. So, like in the book, they have actually done in a very simple way, as the very traditional way. But we'll be doing in our conventional way as we do. Okay, usually as we do. So we'll be doing like that. Okay. So let it print first. So what we'll be doing, we'll be doing actually train test split. Okay. So we'll be importing that from the model.sklearn.model.selection. You can actually see everything about this thing. Okay. You have to just, I insist you to do the Google search. Okay. I have done the Google search by learning. So that is quite important. You can see here like Shuffle is there, Stratify is there. We have learned about the stratified sampling. So you can just see that also. Okay. So now you can see here the random state. We have put some random state so that it will give us results um, like same in each time we will be running. Okay. So, like we have just put this thing code and we have just print our extrain and all these things. So this was the very quick thing about the MNIST data set. You can read more about this MNIST data set. Okay. So actually you can see here this is the whole like Anne Lei Chun. There is a person who has actually worked a lot on these things to making it. So this was the data set. So you can just go through it and it will be amazing. Okay. So we are on the journey of learning the machine learning, and if you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. We are coming up with the more interesting lectures, guys. So thank you so much. Meet you in the next video. Till then, keep exploring.